Hi, I'm Darren, and this is Ananda and Orm. Tonight we're in Patong at what's supposed to be the best Thai buffet barbecue restaurant here. Lots of people have asked us in the past about where's a good Thai buffet barbecue place in Phuket. This one's supposed to be the best in Patong, so we thought we'd give it a try. As soon as you're seated, they bring you out the Thai barbecue, which is called a kata, and there's a big buffet over there that you can help yourself to and grab whatever you want. This restaurant is huge. There's heaps of seats here. It's not too packed tonight, which is good, but it does look very popular with both Thais and Westerners. We might head over to the buffet and see what we can find. Let's go get some food. Some fish, frozen fish. Oh, river prawns. Good selection of stuff here. Better to thaw it first, though, I think. There is a great spread of food up there, all sorts of stuff, and it does look actually pretty good quality. So you start with a piece of bacon fat by smearing it over the hot pan, and that works as your oil for the cooking process. And then you add your meats. One added a pork belly, some prawns. You put all your vegetables around the edge in the soup, and you can cook whatever you want in the way of meat in the soup as well, prawns, etc. So I've been up, I got some vegetables, mix of different mushrooms, some fresh seaweed and prawns, some cockles, razorfish and squid, and I got a range of meat. I got some marinated pork belly, some chicken steak, some marinated chicken by the look, and also some chicken liver. As you cook through the process of the night, all the juices run off the sides of the plate and into the soup, making the soup really yummy. By the end of the night, this is the best soup you're likely to ever have. Try that soup out. That is good, yeah. Yeah, that is delicious. Don't forget to regularly turn your meat as well to stop it from burning. Pork bits look to be done. And I think also my chicken steak is done as well. I got a bit of chicken liver in there that I put in the soup before too. Try out the pork belly. It's one of our favourite things at these places. As you can see, when your soup gets low, they fill it up for you. The service here is very good. They were busy filling up everything as it runs out.
Big piece,
Yes. How is the fish? Good?
Just first try.
First try? Good? Maybe I might try that. Yum. thawed it out on the side of the plate and then dropped it in the soup when it was thawed. That's delicious. Got a piece of marinated chicken, I think, there. Yum. Marinated pork steak, some sort of coconut sauce. Really good, yeah? It's 259 baht per person. If you're eating as an individual diner, 299 baht. Definitely recommend it. They've got a great range of food at the buffet. High heap of seafood, river prawns, ocean prawns. Chicken. Beef. Pork. Lots of marinated steaks, even marinated ribs. So a heap of vegetables too, lots of Thai mushrooms. And they've also got pre-prepared food, lots of noodle dishes. There's a somtam station where you can make your own papaya salad. Whole fish that you can wrap in alfoil, squid, cockles, razorfish, crabs, and there's a communal grill area where you can grill your seafood as well. There's a really good range of food there, and for Patong, it's excellent value. It is all you can eat, so once you've done with your first round, you can go back and get more and keep cooking through the night. But make sure you eat everything you take, otherwise you will have to pay extra. Well, we can definitely recommend this place. All the details for it are in the description below the video. Check it out if you come to Patong. This is our first video on a Phuket eating adventure, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe. There'll be lots more videos coming of Phuket food in the next few weeks. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye.